Hello guys, mag-unbox tayo ng unboxing tayo ng Elba electric oven. It's 600 plus but they have promotion. It become ano lang siya guys, 375. So unbox tayo. Nasaan? Nasaan? Help me, son. Hala. Oh, like this. Hala. It's like it's in the... Oh. Okay. Now, you hold this one. Hold the cam. My free na baking tray. Ayan. It's free. I think you hold like this away. I need to spoil all the backside. Huh? You video already made later. I do wonder. Don't take only here. Yeah, it's her guys. Siyang laki, malaki siya. So, plaster na to dito, no? Narawag to ko. Wow. Na dito na sa taas. So, andito na siya guys, oh. Subuksan natin. Kasi nilagyan nila ng tape. Si yung pangalawa kong bumili nito guys, yung aking anak. Si Sansan. Diba, Jack? Jack. Ayan. Ito, pwede ito. Mamaya na. Andito siya, oh. So, malawak. Gusto ko yung malawak. Ayan. So, thank you for watching. May free pang mga dito. Yung mga trees, yun. Andito na nilagay ko na yung tree sa ilalim. Ito siya. Stainless steel kasi guys, oh. Yung iba mura-murahin. Meron dyan. So, mayroon pang toaster. Oh, mag-toast tayo ng manok. Toaster. Roast. Dito yan. May screw. Ewan ko yung screw. Ayan. So, my free na baking tray. Ayan siya. See? Pwede tanggalin na natin itong sticker. Take out Take out sticker. Oh. Tinanggal ko yung sticker. Wow! Ayan. And guys, testing na namin. Try na natin guys. Oh, look at that. It's Elba. So, mayroon ng pang pandesal. Pandesal. Ito guys, oh, yung bagong Elba electric oven. Pwede na makaluto tayo guys ng pandesal, pandikwi-kwi. Ayan. See, hindi kami bumili nito ang aking dalaga. Ayan. Kasi mura, may promo sila. It's 690 ata o 620. So, nagiging ano na guys, 375. Pag gusto niyo bumili ng oven, go now. Andito na siya guys, oh. 'Di ba? Mag-try siyang maggawa ng banana cake. Maganda siya kasi stainless steel. Ayan. May roaster. Roaster. Ayan siya, nakaano na yung preheat. May libreng, may free baking tray. And thank you for watching. Pag mahilig kayong mag-baking, yung taga Johor, may ano sila guys, promotion na electric oven. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Try natin, oh. Banana. Oh, sorry. Sorry, baby. Guys, ito kami ng snacks. Ay, nakaluto na ng tinapay guys. Oh. Ayan. Huh? Hi guys, here again. It's Elba. My daughter made this special bread. It's rabbit, ribbon, and what's that? Flour. And tortoise? No, don't have a ribbon. It's there. The last one behind. It's there behind the flower, the ribbon.